In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF on Notion. If you've ever wanted to bring a little motion and personality to your notes, docs, or project hubs, adding a GIF is a quick way to do it, and the process is surprisingly simple. Before we begin, make sure you're on the Notion page where you want the GIF to live, and place your cursor exactly where you want the image block to appear. That way, the GIF drops in the right spot without any extra rearranging. To start, type /image and press enter. The / command in Notion is a fast way to insert blocks without hunting through menus. As soon as you press enter, Notion will create an image block and show you a few ways to add your content. You'll see options that let you bring in a file from your device or choose something from a built-in library. From here, you have two simple paths. First, you can upload your own GIF. If you already have a GIF file saved on your computer, choose the upload option, select the file, and Notion will handle the rest. Depending on the size of the GIF and your connection speed, it may take a moment to upload. Once it finishes, the GIF will appear in your page and animate automatically. If you're working with large files, keep in mind that bigger animations can take longer to load and may feel heavier on slower networks, so smaller or optimized GIFs usually perform best. The second path is to use the Giphy tab. Open the Giphy option and type a keyword or phrase to search for the animation you have in mind, like celebration, thumbs up, or progress. You'll see results appear as thumbnails. Click the one you like, and Notion will insert it directly into your page. It's as simple as that. If you don't see the Giphy tab, it may be due to workspace settings or regional availability, but when it's present, it's a fast way to find a GIF without leaving Notion. And that's all there is to it. Type /image and press. Enter, then either upload your own GIF or pick one from Giphy. Once it's in, the animation will loop on its own, bringing a bit of life to your document. Use GIFs to highlight wins, mark progress, or add a friendly visual cue, and keep motion considerate so it enhances your content rather than distracts from it. Thanks for watching, and have fun adding GIFs to your Notion pages.